You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce these words in British English and American English correctly. If you want to learn more words and vocabulary from the Bible, stay tuned. I've got many more videos for you. British English pronounces it as Easter. Easter. Stress on the first syllable. In American English, United States, it's usually pronounced as Easter. Easter. Easter or Easter. How to pronounce. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.